Guys, today I didn't vlog at work because I was very busy, with stuff. And right now I'm out of work and I came all the way to Kitengela. And currently I'm at Think Twice. And unfortunately, after shooting 38 videos, by the way, I've been so consistent. That is because I like to give you guys good content. But unfortunately, this microphone here, which is the Boya mic, finally it stopped working after 38 videos. But that won't stop me. I'll continue shooting the videos. So guys, I apologize in advance for the bad audio. So today, big up. Today I'm at Think Twice, as you can see. And I want to go and look for some clothes. Some cheap clothes. We call them mitumba, which is a second-hand clothes. Going to look for a jeans and a shirt. So guys, let's go and get some clothes. Guys, I wasn't allowed to film inside. Actually, I got caught filming and they told me I'm not supposed to film. But I got this, I don't know, pink shirt so that I can pop on the videos, man. This black khaki. And everything was about 500 Kenyan shillings. As you can see, 500 or about $3.5. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Big up.